Hey guys, right here, this is the Seiko Melodies in Motion Clock Castle Night QXM378BRH. So let's see these features of the clock and songs. So the features of the Seiko clock. So the hour hand and the minute hand. It looks like a cuckoo clock. Maybe the clock face is not looks like a grandfather clock. But this is not the old clock. But this is Seiko Melodies in Motion Clock Castle Night. Oh, maybe it's broken. So this clock is broken. Maybe the clock is maintenance. Haha, the 4 season spring become opening attention chime. This clock, it plays the 4 season spring, maybe it's broken, this clock. Oh, the clock face is stuck, maybe it's broken, so let's do it again. So this clock features, it has 1 of 8 of 12 melodies, classical melodies, the 4 season spring, canon, any night music, little night music, symphony number 6 pastoral morning from Virgin, and a Traviata drinking song. So here, this is a firework on the night sky, and here is the clock face. Maybe the selection B may be Amazing Grace, The Planets of Jupiter, Waltz of the Flowers, Salute the Amor, Pictures at an Exhibition Promenade, and Dance of the Reed Pipes. Maybe Christmas song like Deck the Halls, Oh Tannenbaum, Oh Christmas Tree, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Silent Night, and Jingle Bells. So maybe clock face is different than QXM291BRH. So this 378 Seiko clock has different clock face melodies in motion. It has different clock face than RE579B, RE579S, RE601B, and RE573B Wave Symphony. Maybe this clock was sold in Japan, so this clock was purchased from Japan. Maybe Seiko Melodies in Motion Clock Castle Night, the clock was sold in Japan, United States, and Indonesia. So let's see this inside of the clock. Oh, it's not no ticking sound. So this color of the clock is brown color. Maybe the Swarovski crystal color, maybe blue and red. So this clock, it has hour hand and the minute hand. Maybe how to listen it. Okay guys, the clock is a little bit of broken. Maybe I hear the 4 season spring. It's half. Oh, it's opening attention chime like this. Maybe the clock face is stuck, it's broken when if you press the button. There goes going, 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 going. This is a stupid clock ever. So hope you guys enjoy and so long.